Tokyo's new transparent public restrooms are a stroke of genius. You didn't think I could hit you with this one, Will, especially not late in the show at 6:21 p.m. You thought, oh, I get it. All the serious business up top. He's going to hit me with some fast food story at the end. You didn't think I could hit you with Tokyo transparent restrooms.
No.
That's all I wanted to do.
Transparent? What?
See, that's all I want.
I'm curious now.
That's all I want to do today was just hit you with something like this that you weren't expecting. It was my entire mission today. I had to get through the business section of the show. People tune in. They're trying to be informed.
Yeah, well, you got my attention.
But I also have to bring this every so often just to remind you what we're doing here. Mm-hmm. Just to remind you there's more to the story. Just to remind you things are happening in the world. I don't miss it.
And also, there's fun to be had.
Yeah, there might be fun to be had.
Yeah.
So, Tokyo they were trying to fix their bathroom situation because a lot of people, a lot of people in Japan, they weren't super excited about public restrooms. You know, there's a lot of things to be afraid of with a public restroom. Let me explain to you the things you might be afraid of when you open the door to a public restroom. Number one, cleanliness. You might open that door, catch a whiff. You might see a disgusting situation, right? Now, the disgusting situation, you start to ask yourself, how could this disgusting situation come to be? Well, a person has the privacy for the moment. They can do whatever they want in there.
Yes.
There's no accountability in the bathroom because the door is closed. Remember with the VPN earlier?
Yeah.
When you're in the bathroom, once the door is closed, you get to do whatever you want.
Yep.
Okay?
True.
With the door open, on the other hand, there's accountability right there. And that's what's kind of happening over here. You make it transparent, and now a person rolls up to it and they say, damn, that's clean in there. Right? They say, I won't mind entering. I'll use that public restroom. Go ahead, Will. Go ahead.
It's transparent, though.
Continue. Go ahead.
You can't do that.
You can't do what?
Well, what if you want to do number two?
Yeah, you do number two, Will.
You can't do it in a transparent bathroom.
Let me tell you why you can. You see?
Oh, boy.
You click a switch once you enter, and the walls go opaque. Sir, for privacy. Sir, because you're in Japan. Sir.
So, it's transparent. You walk in,
Yes.
press a button.
Yes.
The walls become opaque.
When you lock the door, the walls become opaque. You do your business, you take your time, you wash your hands. As soon as you unlock the door, transparent.
Is there someone going to be guarding it, or is just people?
No one has to guard it. You're in Japan.
I mean, like an officer looking at like what happened afterwards.
Why? What's going to go wrong, Will?
Well, what if someone goes in and then like it's a disaster?
Okay.
Then like who's to blame?
The previous
guy, but he's already gone.
Look at Will. Will, why are you trying to trash bathrooms? The idea here is not to solve the problem completely. You can never solve the problem completely.
Yeah.
The idea here is to change the psyche around the public bathroom. That, hey, I understand it's an enclosed unit, but if we make it transparent when it's unoccupied, people are going to think differently about how they interact with the space. This is good design, Will.
I mean,
they're going to think to themselves, wow, as soon as I exit this space, everybody's going to see what it looks like on the inside.
I guess so. But who's watching?
It's in a park. It's in a public, it's in a busy park, Will.
Yeah. I mean, I get it. I hear you.
Well, anyway, they tasked 16 well-known architects to renovate 17 public toilets. Do you know the other big fear, apparently, that residents harbor in Tokyo? A fear that someone will be waiting in there.
I see. So that I think is a good idea, if that's the case. It's not more of the mess, but more of like some guy like hiding under a
Nobody
toilet.
can hide. There's no hiding.
Yeah.
There's no
'cause
horror
you can
movie.
See it before you
You
walk
see
in.
inside. You decide. I don't know. I'll go in or I won't go in.
That's a good idea.
There you go, Will. I
Yeah.
got you on that one.
You got me there. Yeah.
Okay. Well, anyways,
I'm invested.
look. Then they said the number one reason people won't enter a public restroom is the fear that it's going to be gross. They'll just be like, "I'll
Gross,
wait.
eh?
I'll wait." And the clear thing solves that. You can see inside before you go in whether it's clean or not. And if it's clean, you're gonna say, "Yeah, okay, I'll use it."
Yeah.
So I don't know, man. What?
I mean, it makes sense.
Why'd you have to spoil the whole thing? It's so exciting. This is so exciting to me.
They look cool though.
See? What would you do since you have the perfect ideas? What is your if you're one of the 16 architects tasked with fixing the public restroom? What's your idea that's better than this?
I mean, I would do the same thing. Sure.
Ah, yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I have
right.
no ideas. I'm terrible.
Yeah. I mean, you do have to trust the opaqueness of the glass because if you're big on the privacy thing,
yeah. What if it turns off
exactly, you're partway
in the
through.
middle?
You're partway through.